Now, football now. Defending champions Cavalier went down by a goal to nil to Montego Bay United in first leg semi-final action from the Ray & Nephew Jamaica Premier League. The game was decided by an own goal. The return leg semi-final will be played on Wednesday. Now, the late game kicks off at 7:35. We're at about now. We're seven-time champions. Portmore United will clash with 2023 or make that with Mount Pleasant Academy, the 2023 champions. Now, Portmore won 5-3 on aggregate against Racing United in their quarter-final game to progress. Mount Pleasant, of course, advanced automatically to the semi-finals by virtue of their placing in the regular season. And Brownstown and Bull Bay FC reigned supreme in capturing the 2025-26 Ray & Nephew KSAFA Championship and Major League titles respectively, following the finals played at the Constant Spring Field on Saturday.
Brownstown FC won their first ever KSAFA Championship League title after blanking Seaview Gardens FC 2-0 in the final. With both teams hunting their first hold on the coveted crown, it was the gold and white-clad Brownstown FC that took the lead in the 26th minute. Damien Worms firing home from close range. However, despite applying immense pressure, Seaview were unable to pull level, and substitute Javor Shepherd sealed the win in added time, securing a place in the Jamaica Football Championship qualifiers.
Yeah, today's game, I'm telling you this, the community needed this. And everybody in Brownstown needed this because this community has been through a lot. We have been to this final maybe 2 or 3 times and we never succeeded. So we decided we're going to do it for the community. And I'm happy we were able to do that.
Meanwhile, former Premier League campaigners Bull Bay FC are on the rise once again after winning the Major League title with a 1-0 win over Ligony United. Bull Bay got the all-important goal from Romain Davis in the 48th minute. Ligony United ended the game with 10 players after Dante Logan was ejected in the 87th minute after being issued a second caution. With the win, Bull Bay earned promotion to next season's KSAFA Championship League.
Well, first of all, you have to give credit to Ligony. Thought they played an excellent game. They stuck to their game plan. We may not have looked like the complete team in the first half, but I think we turned it around in the second half. Played a much better second half going forward. Got a really crisp goal. And I think from there we took control. There were a few counter-attacks from Ligony playing to the sides, which they normally do. I thought the defence dealt with it well.
In the meantime, Carl Campbell of Brownstown was voted the most valuable player in the Championship League, while Zenard Street of Seaview Gardens was the league's top goal scorer. Over in the Major League, DeAndre Davis of Bull Bay was named the MVP, while Renato Richards of Police National was the league's top scorer. Along with the A.B. Stewart Stevens Championship Trophy, Brownstown also pocketed the Mackay Security $1 million prize. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.